a precious resource. Learning about water. Groundwater as an important source of water. If we dig a hole in the ground near a water body, we may find the soil is moist. The moisture in the soil indicates the presence of water underground. If we dig deeper and deeper, we would reach a level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between the rocks are filled with water. The upper limit of this layer is called the water table. The water table varies from place to place, and it may even change at a given place. The water table may be at the depth of less than a meter or maybe several meters below the ground. The water found below the water table is called groundwater. The rainwater and water from other sources, such as rivers and ponds, seeps through the soil and fills these empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The groundwater thus gets recharged by this process. At places, the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This is known as an aquifer. Water in the aquifers can be usually pumped out with the help of tube wells or hand pumps. Have you ever been to a site where construction work is going on? The workers get water for construction from boring or a well being done at such sites. Depletion of water table. Water drawn from under the ground gets replenished, refilled by seepage of rainwater. The water table does not get affected as long as we draw as much water as it replenished, refilled by natural processes. However, water table may go down if the water is not sufficiently replenished. This may happen due to many reasons. Increase in population, industrial and agricultural activities are some common factors affecting water table. Scanty rainfall is another factor that may deplete the water table. Yet, another factor affecting water table could be deforestation and decrease in effective area for seepage of water. Increasing population. Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, offices, roads and pavements. This decreases the open areas like parks and playgrounds. This, in turn, decreases the seepage of rainwater into the ground. We see that a pucca floor does not allow water to seep in easily, while in a grass lawn, water seeps through in no time. Moreover, a huge amount of water is required for construction work. Often groundwater is used for this purpose. So, on the one hand, we are consuming more groundwater, and on the other, we are allowing less water to seep into the ground. This results in depletion of water table. In fact, the water table in some parts of many cities has gone down to alarmingly low levels. Increasing industries. Water is used by all the industries. Almost everything that we use needs water somewhere in its production process. The number of industries is increasing continuously. Water used by most of the industries is drawn from the ground. Agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depend upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation systems such as canals are there only in few places. Even these systems may suffer from lack of water due to erratic, unpredictable rainfall. Therefore, farmers have to use groundwater for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increasing use of groundwater day by day. This results in depletion of water table. Summary. We need to be worried about the wasting during the supply of water through pipes, the leaking taps in buildings and other places. Unnecessary use of water and overdrawing from groundwater should be avoided. Recharge of water to the ground should be increased. The need of the hour is that every individual uses water economically. Plants wilt and ultimately dry up if they are not watered for a few days. That's all in this subtopic, students. Let us now learn some more important points to preserve water in our next topic. Keep learning.